Hello again. Let's do numbers 9 and 10 from the old final exam that I posted. So here's number 9, solve using elimination. So the idea with solving with elimination is we're going to add these two equations together. If we can arrange for the coefficients on either x or the coefficients on y to be the same but opposite, then when we add them, they'll cancel. So if you look at the x's, if we multiplied this first equation by 3, this would turn into negative 3x, and that would cancel this 3x. So let's multiply this first equation by 3. That makes this first equation negative 3x minus 9y equals negative 39. Okay, and now we'll take these two equations, these two here, and we'll add them together. And when we add them together, the x's cancel, which was the whole point. And the y's, y minus 9y, is negative 8y. And then 23 minus 39 is going to be negative 16. Now we can finish solving for y by dividing by negative 8. And that gives us y equals 2. Now that we know y, we can go back and find x. We can use either equation to find x. It looks like this first equation, it's going to be a little bit easier to find x. So negative x minus 3 times y. We now know that y is 2, so let's put that in there, equals negative 13. And then solve this for x. So negative x minus 6 equals negative 13. Add 6 to both sides. We get negative x equals negative 7. And then multiply both sides by negative 1. X is 7. So our solution, x comma y, is 7, 2. All right, there we go. Now let's try number 10. Here's 10. Simplify this big polynomial. Now the nice thing about simplifying sums of polynomials is really all we have to do is get rid of the parentheses somehow, and then just combine like terms. So the only thing to be careful about when you're removing parentheses in a sum and a difference is this subtraction right here. We'll have to distribute this minus sign in order to remove this second set of parentheses. This first set of parentheses, they don't make a difference, so we can just erase them. We get 2q squared plus 7. Now for this middle piece, we have to distribute that minus sign, so negative 4q squared minus negative 6q, that's plus 6q. And then this in this third part, again, the parentheses don't make a difference, so we can just erase them. Plus 9q plus 1. All right, now we need to combine like terms. For our q squareds, here are some over here and some over here. So negative 2q squared minus 4q squared, that's negative 6q squared. For our q's, there's some here and some there. So 6q plus 9q is 15q, so plus 15q. And then for our constants, we have a 7 over here and a 1 over there. So this is going to give us plus 8. All right. Now on these terms that we have now, none of these can be combined. So this is as simple as it's going to get. So we're done. All right. That's it for those two. We'll do another two in just a minute.